Real quick video of the boat I have for sale. I believe it's a 58, 56, 58, I don't know. Anyhow, I got this from a dead guy. And the dead guy's friend's dad passed it to him and he gave it to me. That's how I got the boat. So, killer old school boat. What a freaking classic I have here. Oh my God, look at that old school windshield. It's like James Bond old school. Anyhow, the boat's in pristine condition. Little tiny fiberglass crack right there. Other than that, the thing looks freaking brand new. Little something there. There's some spider cracks. If you can see, let me see if my camera will zoom. There they are. A few little spider cracks. What do you expect? I mean, this thing's old school. But other than that, it's in pretty darn good condition for the age it's in, or the age that it is. Trailer's in excellent condition from what I can tell. I put some new Goodyear tires on this thing, so you can see things in great shape. It's all surface rust. Man, this thing has no cancer on it at all. The trailer's, like I said, in excellent condition. Sorry about that. Didn't want to get you upside down there. I even got a spare tire for you. The motor runs. I got a little clip of the motor firing. Transmission doesn't want to engage very easily, and it probably needs a carb rebuild. The seats definitely need to be redone. See, the seats are torn up from the flooring up. Not bad though, the interior. I mean, the boat's pretty damn solid. Damn, got you upside down there. Didn't mean to get you all twisted up. You can see under there a little bit of the paint. A little bit of the paint coming off. No big deal. Controls. Got the Johnson Seahorse, Super Seahorse, 35 horsepower. The propeller looks brand new, like it's never even hit the water. And that's the way the rest of this boat looks. It just blows me away of how clean this freaking boat is. Now there is this tiny little nick that probably needs to be re-welded. No big deal for you iron workers out there. Okay, there's a little this and that, the old school controls. I would recommend probably rebuilding those, just because California doesn't like that at all. Ooh, look at that, the old school black license plate on there. That's just classic. I mean, look at the body, man. The body, or gal, the body. Beautiful body. This boat has so much potential. It will make your head spin or ski or something, I don't know. But the bottom of the boat, man, or gal, look at this. This thing, has it even... I mean, I got you under there. I mean, Jesus. But Jesus, this thing is clean. Clean, clean. Clean, 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 if you know what I mean. I mean, this could be yours for the asking price. The tiny asking price of $1,500 US dollars. USD. Or we'll take euros too. It don't matter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. It used to be painted SS Minnow on the back, but the paint wasn't that good. For that price, I'll throw in a brand new gas tank and pump hookup. Here's the spare. The plywood's there just because the simple fact that I had the gas tank actually resting on there at one point. Anyhow, like I said, if I didn't need the space, this puppy would be mine till the day I die. Well, thanks for watching. Trailer boat, San Rafael, California is where it was built. Boom. San Rafael. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Boat for sale.